Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today I thought I'd do a fun video and have you take a look at one of my paintings called Predator Tree and tell me which bird you don't think is a predator. So anyway, I'll scan through and see if you can identify it. Below, I want you to put your comments and identify as many birds as you recognize in the painting. You found it. That's right. It's Tweety Bird. He is not a predator. Head over to my website at www.yellow.artist.com. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.